When this is all over, I'm pretty sure that these are the memories that I'll cherish the most. Being up at the crack of dawn, cycling on long, straight roads, surrounded by oil pumps, and cycling into a rising sun. And a Coca-Cola lorry zooming past me. Really does feel like I'm in the heart of this country. I have now reached the state of Oklahoma, and it's a place that I've always wanted to visit ever since reading John Steinbeck's The Grapes of Wrath. If you haven't read that book, highly recommended. But cycling through here, it's almost like the flashpoint, the epicenter of a changing America and its dependence on fossil fuels, because all across this horizon you see these pump jacks. These are these oil extractors which are bringing oil out from deep under the earth. However, on this side there are hundreds of wind turbines, and they are whizzing round on this very, very windy day, a wind that I am battling into. But it's seeing things like this in the flesh that really give you an idea of how America is changing on the ground, and especially its dependency on different forms of energy. America, I love you. This is not personal, but 99% of the coffee that's being drunk in this country is a crime against humanity. So I've had to take the law into my own hands, buy my own travel cafetiere, and plunge on the roadside. Cheers. That is, however, more than enough from me for this week, and instead I'm going to leave you with a few words from a man called Bryson Hare. And I met Bryson a few hundred miles back, and he is one of the many voices that is going to be part of my new book, Fractured States. And I asked him about the state of modern America, and he kindly shared some of his opinions with me.
How do I feel about the United States? I just feel like we're separated as a whole. I feel like people don't know who they are, and people are scared to explore things and try new things. People are so separated, and poverty is so high right now because of inflation that a lot of people are just lost. We're a lost place right now, and it's scary because you can't count on your president either. Like, you know, we don't know what we're getting told. I bet you could ask 70%, you could probably ask 85% of people my age what a Democrat or a Republican is, and I'd say about 75. That saying, you ask everybody my age, 22 years to 18 to 22 years old, what party is Joe Biden from? They won't give you the answer. They don't know the answer. You ask them what a Democrat is, they don't know the answer. You ask them what a Republican is, they don't know the answer. People they scared, they not scared, but they just don't have the interest in, they'll talk about it, but they don't understand like that we can make a difference. And you know, they get stuck with that mindset of that nobody can make a difference, that the United States is down such a path that they've been taking since the 60s, that, you know, we're gonna put ourselves in a hole pretty soon. And like I was telling you about conspiracy theories, a lot of people my age they go crazy over conspiracy theories. People rather believe in aliens than believe in God.